Hello, my dear student. I'd like to welcome you once again to English 808 for Level 2 Vocational Education. We're going on with Unit 7, but this time with a grammar lesson, which is Modals of Possibility and Conclusion. By the end of the lesson, we should achieve two main objectives. The first one is to identify modals of possibility and conclusion, and then we are going to use them in a correct way. You may wonder or ask yourself, what is the meaning of modals of possibility and conclusion? Modals, what is a modal? Let's see. Modals of possibility are a group of words to describe a possible action or how certain the speaker is about an action. What's the meaning of how certain? It means how sure are you? Are you 100% sure about this situation? Then there is a word that you need to use. If you are not so sure, then there is another word that you have to use. We're going to know, and I will clarify all of this group of words in the next slides. Let's see together. Here's an example of the group of the words that I have spoken about. Let me start with may or may not. And there is an example given to explain this more. She may be sleeping. Am I sure that she's sleeping here? No, I'm not sure. Let's see the other group of word. It's either might or might not. Again, there's another example. He might join us. Is he going to join us for sure, 100%? No, he might join us. Next, I have could, couldn't, or can't. The example is the prices could go higher. Like, is it going to go higher for sure? No, it's not. It could go higher. It depends on a certain situation that will decide if the prices would go higher or not. Last but not least, there is must and must not. The example is she must be joking, which means that she's not serious. What is she saying is definitely a joke. Here is a very important grammar note that I'd like to bring to your attention. My dear students, the word maybe. Yes, we use maybe in our daily spoken language, but is it a modal? No. It has the same meaning of could, of may, and might, yes, but it's not a modal. It can't be used formally. Then, how is it used? Maybe is used for a personal point of view, for expressing my own opinion. Let me give you an example to clarify it. Maybe you should see a doctor. Here, I'm expressing my own point of view. Maybe I saw my friend is not feeling well, so what I think is that maybe you should see a doctor. Let me move to the modal usage according to the level of certainty. Again, I'd like to clarify that the meaning of the word certainty is being sure about something. Here is a very simple and small conversation between two speakers. Let's see what the first speaker is asking. Or he's stating that I am waiting for Mary. Speaker 2 asks, where is she? Or where is Mary? Let's see the possible answers. Here are 5 modals used in the answers. Let's see each modal and what does it reflect or what does it mean. The first one, or the first possible answer could be, she must be on the bus. In this case, I am 100% sure that she's on the bus. Maybe I had a phone call with her or she texted me that she's on the bus. So I'm 100% sure that she's on the bus. That's the reflection. Fairly sure. That's a good guess. Number 2. she might come soon. When I say she might come soon, in this case, I'm not so sure, which means maybe she will come soon or maybe she gets late. So might means maybe. Number 3, she could be lost. In this case, again, I am not stating the exact answer. She may be lost or she may be not. Number 4, she may be in the wrong station. Again, the same purpose is going on. When I say may be, she may, here I am not stating that I'm 100% sure about the situation. She may be in the wrong station or she may be in the right station. Last but not least, she can't be at home. In this case, again, I am fairly sure about the situation, but in a negative way, like it's not true. She can't be at home. She's not at home. That's what is meant here. Now, let's do a very quick exercise about the modals or the common modals used, like could, may, and might be. You have 3 situations here. What you need to do is you need to fill in the below blanks with the proper modals of possibility. Could, may, and might be. Let me just clarify the way that you should do this exercise. We have to read the situation, which is, let's see the first one. Ben wants to travel to London next week, but, pay attention, but he is waiting for his leave approval. Did he take the leave approval? Is he sure about it? No. So, what do I fill this blank with? I blank travel to London next week. Could, may, or might be. I'll give you 2 minutes to do the rest. Here are the modal answers, my dear students. Let's see together. The first one is, I may travel to London next week, which means I'm not sure. It depends on the leave approval. Just pay attention to the highlighted in blue. Here is the hint which helps you to use the modal. Let's see the next one. Ben lost his car keys and he is assuming that he left them in the car. The word assuming is giving you a hint. Is he sure about that? No, he's not. So, since he's assuming that the keys are left in the car, my keys might be in the car. I'll go and check. Maybe I find it in the car or not. Let's move to the last one. Ben's friend still didn't call him back and he is waiting for his call. So he might call or he might not call. So he could call back tonight. Could is the most suitable one because of the word tonight. It's something that could happen tonight or later on. Let's move to exercise number 2. In this exercise, you're not going to fill in the blank, but you're going to choose the correct answer. You have multiple choice of 2. You will choose the best one. Let's see the first one. Ben and Tom have worked together for 3 years. They might or can't be close friends. Which one do you think is the suitable modal? Think about it. I'll give you about 2 minutes and then we will discuss the modal answers. There you go, my dear students. Here are the answers. Number 1, Ben and Tom have worked together for 3 years. So, the highlighted in red is the answer. They might be close friends because they've been together for 3 years. So, there is a relation, definitely. Can't will make the sentence in negative situation, which is not required. Let's see number 2. Ben got 3 hours of sleep last night. He must be tired because he just slept 3 hours. So I am certain about him being tired. I'm sure that he's tired. Number 3. Ben knows Tom was talking about him. He may be annoyed. maybe he's not annoyed. Maybe it's fine with him. So here, my level of certainty is maybe 50 to 40%. I'm not sure. Let's move to the last one. Ben spends a lot of time at work chatting. The word chatting is giving me a hint that he can't be very busy. Can't be, I am fairly sure, but in a negative situation. Before I end this lesson, I'd like just to bring to your attention that the modals are usually used a lot in speaking, rather than any other skill. I hope this lesson added something to your value and it was useful to you. Thank you so much, and inshallah we're going to meet very soon in next lessons. Goodbye.